Assalamualaikum Tumedum Malakia. We are from Group 9 and we have chosen question number 4. Firstly, we would like to introduce ourselves. I am Nur Damar Bini Muhammad here from RCS 1104G.
My name is Nur Alia binti Kamarul Arif and I am from RCS 1104G.
My name is Noshki Metazmi and I'm from RCS 1104H.
My name is Niana Najiha binti Ahmad Suhaimi and I'm from RCS 1104G.
My name is Siti Nur Emiliana.
So you're still with me. This is our problem that we need to handle. Based on this question, there's a table shows the distribution of number of hours worked each week for a sample of 100 community college students. So this is our table and all the details, and the problem that we need to solve are we need to find the mean, median, mode, and standard deviation of the data. So we also need to identify the shape of distribution. So let's try to solve the first problem. Okay, for the first one is we need to find the mean. Okay, first we need to collect all the information that we had and put it in this table. So in the first column, we put our x, which is hours per week, and the second one is frequency, which is number of students. After that, make sure that we find the midpoint for each class. What is our midpoint formula? Basically, we just need to add in the upper boundaries and the lower boundaries of the class and then divide it by 2. For our last column, just multiply frequency of the class and midpoint. Okay, what is n actually? Okay, n is actually the total of number of students. Okay? Alright, okay, now we move on to the formula of the mean. Sample mean, alright, equals to all the total of frequency multiplied by midpoint. So our mean equals to 2110 divided by 100, and we got it to 1.1.
Now, we are going to find the median. Firstly, when you get the question, you need to find the cumulative frequency. Basically, you need to sum the frequencies. For example, 0 plus 24 equals to 24. 24 plus 14 equals to 38. Cumulate all the frequencies, and at the end, we will get 100. Next, you need to create a table for position of data. We start with 1 and end with the cumulative frequency for that row. For example, 1 until 24, 25 until 38. After you have created cumulative frequency and position of data table, you need to divide n by 2, which is 100 divided by 2, and you will get 50. From here, you can see 50 is actually the middle position which lies between 39 until 77 in the position of data table. This means that 20 until 29 class interval is the median class. After we get all the information that we need, then we can substitute all the information into the formula. Median equal to LM, which is normal class boundary of the class containing median, which is 20 minus 0.5, that is 90.5. Then, plus, in bracket, total frequency, which is 100, divide by 2, and you will get 50. Minus with cumulative frequency of classes before containing the median, which is 38. Divide by frequency of the class median, which is 39, close bracket, and multiply with width of the class median, which is C. In order to find width of the class median, you need to subtract the lower limit. As example, 20 minus 10 is 10. So, the C is 10. You can also do 10 minus 0, and you will get 10 also. Finally, you will get the median, which is 22.58.
Okay, referring to the question, we can find the mode of the data. Right now, I'm showing you the answer to the question on the screen. So how do we get the answer? Before we begin, let's look at Mott's equation. So on the screen, I have written what are the symbols stands for, so you can pause the video to read before we continue. The question, we need to find the values for the equation. First of all, we need to find the model class, the class with the largest frequency. According to the question, the largest frequency is 39, which means the model class is 20 to 29. From that, we can get the width using the upper boundary 29 minus the lower boundary 20, and we'll get 9. Next, delta 1 is 39, the frequency of the model class, minus 14, the value of the frequency of the class before. And delta 2 is 39 minus 18, the value from the class after. So from the information that we receive, we can insert it into the equation. So we'll get 20 plus delta 1, 39 minus 14, divide by delta 1 plus delta 2, which is 39 minus 14 plus 39 minus 18, and we'll multiply it with 9. So we'll get 24.891.
Okay, so let's get started with standard deviation, and I will teach you how to solve the standard deviation problems. Okay, first you need to create table. Okay, I have created table for you. Okay, this you will get this from the equation given, and you just need to create another 3 table. That is midpoint, fx, and fx square. So how you get midpoint is 0.9. 0 plus 9 divided by 2 and you get 4.5. 10 plus 19 divided by 2, 14.5. Okay, we got fx is 39 multiply by 24.5, you will get 9.5.5. Okay, how you get fx square is 18 multiplied by 34.5, 34.5 square, and you get 21424.5. Alright, after that you need to total the f equal to 100, and fx is, and the total is total fx is 2100 110, and then you need to fx total the fx is, and then you get the total is 58,165. Okay, so the solution, you create the solution. Okay, solution is first you need to write the standard deviation first, and then write down the formula first, so that you are not gonna make a mistake. So you just insert to the right place and calculate it. So you will get the answer is 11.7396. Okay.
Okay, the complete shape of distribution, OR, we can use this formula given as equal to 3 multiplied by mean minus the median divided by standard deviation. So our mean here is 21.1 minus 2 median 28.6025 divided by standard deviation 11.7396. So we get the value is negative 1.9172. Because of the value is negative or r less than 0, so the distribution is skewed to the left, or negative is skewed, so the shape of distribution is skewed to the left.